What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be installing a fourth brake light, sequential lights, turn signals. So you can see here are the instructions on how to install them, and this is the hardware that came with it. So I don't like using these, tapping the wires. So if you don't like tapping wires, I would suggest you buying these from Amazon. Is just to put it on your ground here, just to pin it instead of tapping your wire. So let's begin. Okay, so I got the side panel removed and this one removed, the middle piece here. So I will be removing the tail lights here, and yeah, we are ready to do the wiring here. So stay tuned. So I did get the light in. There's just two clips down here and two 10 mils to secure the fourth brake light. So now the wiring part is I'm gonna have to do now. So I'm gonna be wiring these and showing you guys how I wired them. Alright guys, just finishing up connecting all the wires where they should be. I did use the pins so that way I don't have to splice them onto the wire. I like using these stuff so you won't damage any wires. I did not show you how to reconnect them just because I was focused on reconnecting the wires and where they should be going, and I'll show you them after I'm done. So I'm just about cleaning up the wires and finishing up the vehicle, and I'll show you the wires, how I wire them. Okay, here you go guys. So that way when you wire them on your own vehicle, I'll show you how I wired them, so that way you won't have a problem when installing them. So right here, this is the driver's side, and I'll show you the passenger side. And yeah, I'm about to clean this wires, put all the tools away, and yeah, we'll test her out. Alright guys, it's getting dark outside now as you can tell, so we're just gonna test the fourth brake light with the sequential signal turns. And as always, thank you for watching my vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next video.